Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Twilio Verify for user authentication. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Twilio Verify for user authentication, first, sign in to your Twilio account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Twilio website and following the sign-up instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. In the console, click on the Verify option from the menu on the left side. Next, you will need to create a new service. Click on the Create Service button to proceed. Provide a name for your verification service and set your use case. After filling in the details, click on Create to finalize your service setup. You will now see your newly created service listed on the page. Take note of the service SID, as you will need it later. Now, let's move to the coding part of the tutorial. Choose your preferred programming language by looking at the Twilio documentation. For example, if you're using Node.js, ensure you have the Twilio SDK installed. You can install the SDK using npm with the command npm install Twilio. After installation, create a new JavaScript file for your project. In your JavaScript file, require the Twilio module at the top. Next, initialize the Twilio client using your account SID and auth token. You can find your account SID and auth token in the Twilio console. Now, create a function to send a verification code to the user's phone number. This function should take the user's phone number as an argument. Within this function, use the Twilio Verify service to send a verification request. The request should include the service SID and the user's phone number. Once you send the request, Twilio will dispatch a verification code. Next, create another function to check the verification status. This function will also take the user's phone number and the verification code as arguments. Use the Twilio Verify service to verify the code sent to the user's phone. If the verification is successful, you can authenticate the user. If it fails, you should inform the user to re-enter the code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.